Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use transitions in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, navigate to the Effects library, typically located in the top left corner of the Edit page. Here, you'll find a wide array of transition categories, from standard cross-dissolves to more dynamic options. Simply drag your chosen transition and drop it precisely between two clips on your timeline. You can then easily adjust its duration by clicking and dragging its edges. Once a transition is placed, select it on your timeline to open the inspector panel on the top right. This panel offers extensive customization options. You can adjust parameters such as the border width and color, change the transition's direction, or fine-tune its ease-in and ease-out curves for a smoother feel. For advanced control, utilize keyframes to animate specific properties, creating truly unique and dynamic visual shifts between your footage. For more advanced techniques, consider creating your own custom transitions. This involves combining various effects and meticulously applying keyframes to achieve a distinct look. Another powerful method is using adjustment clips. Place a transition on an adjustment clip above multiple video tracks to apply it uniformly to all underlying layers. Remember to save your favorite custom transitions as presets in the Effects library for efficient future use, saving you valuable editing time. When working with transitions, always ensure your clips have enough media handles, which are extra frames at the beginning and end, typically around 24 to 48 frames, allowing the transition to blend properly. A key best practice is to avoid overusing transitions. A consistent visual style often looks more professional. If you encounter playback issues with complex transitions, simply render them in place to ensure smooth, real-time viewing during your editing process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.